How to upload high quality video on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to upload high quality video on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open TikTok app on your device. Log into your account. Go to your profile at bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on three-line menu icon at top right corner of your screen. Select Setting and Privacy. Scroll down and you need to locate the option of Data Saver. If Data Saver is turned on, you need to switch it off. This setting can lower your video quality. You can turn it back on after uploading but keep it off during uploads. Next, if your videos still look low quality, here's what to do. You need to go back to Setting and Privacy Settings and you need to scroll down to the bottom of your screen. Tap on Report a Problem option and scroll down to the bottom of your screen. Here you need to look for the option of feedback and playback and then select playing videos option. Tap on others and here on this need more help, you need to select that. So you can easily type in the message like, I am having issues uploading videos on TikTok. I am not getting high quality uploads. TikTok is compromising the video quality. Please fix this and tap the submit icon at bottom right corner. Support usually replies within 24 to 48 hours, or you can easily give here the ways to fix the issues as well. You can easily try it and make sure the videos you are uploading already are in high quality. TikTok can improve low quality videos, so it only maintains what you give it. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.